You alright guys? I thought I'd better do a garage update. I keep getting asked, I haven't done one in a couple of years. So I've still got the Escort, quite a lot's changed on that. Let me zoom out a bit. This thing's crazy, 700 horsepower. It's on an 8 HP box, like 8 speed, flappy paddle. I changed a few bits around, put different turbo kit on it, Walton Motorsport one. Yeah, it's absolutely wild thing to drive. But to be honest, I don't drive that much because I love this. So it's my 991 Turbo S, and I've done a GT3 body conversion sort of. So GT3 rear spoiler, I did the facelift rear bumper and facelift lights, GT3 wheels, and GT3 front end. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cough at the moment. Yeah, sick thing this. ES 800 raw horsepower. It's back off to ES shortly for a couple of jobs to get ready for the summer. But now I've got that, I hardly use the Escort, so I do think about selling the Escort. I'm not sure. I might well do. I might miss it, but yeah, I'll never use it. Anyone's got a few quid, send me some offers. Garage had a little bit of an update. Got one of them quick ramps, so I use quite a lot. They're a brilliant bit of kit. Needs a bit of a tidy up. Some of the old cars, GTR, the old black Supra, H2, that's the Isle of Man. That was the 2JZ M3. 500 horsepower turbo booster. That's one of the magazine features with Black Beast. It's the old red one from the Turbo Fit days. There's the Goose. It's one of the Maguire's feature things I've done. But yeah, alright, hope you're all good. Cheers lads.